To start this project out, we are going to make the bow. So the first thing you're going to want to do is cut a piece of floral wire that is about 12 inches long. Then we're going to use our ornament that says "Let It Snow" as our guide for measuring. Take your ribbon, measure out a piece of ribbon that is the length of the "Let It Snow." Take that length, fold it in half. That's where the center of your bow is going to be. Then you're going to create another loop by measuring out the "Let It Snow" length of the ornament, folding that in half, meeting it back up in the middle. Twist your ribbon. You're going to create 2 more loops that are the same size on each side, and then you'll make one final loop that's going to end up being the tail of the ribbon. You'll secure this all together with floral wire, and then you'll cut apart that bottom loop to actually create the tails. Next, we're going to work on securing the "Let It Snow" ornament to the sleigh. So we are going to take about a 12-inch piece of floral wire and our ornament, put the floral wire so pieces are on both sides of the jute, and then twist it to hold it in place. And then you're going to put your ornament on the board where you would like it, and secure it by wrapping it around the center piece of the sleigh. So you'll flip it over to the back, really wrap that floral wire to hold it in place, and then flip it back over to the front, and it should hold nicely. Then we are going to work on the placement of our floral stem. So fluff it really nice, get those pieces all spread out, place it on the sleigh where you would like it, and then you're going to bend the floral stem in half so it can fold over to the back side of the sleigh. And then you'll just work on the positioning of everything. And once you've got everything where you like it in place, you are going to take a little bit of hot glue, secure it in the front, and then you'll also flip it over to the back and secure the back stem just to make sure everything stays in place. And our final step is to take the bow that we previously created and get it attached to our sleigh. So we are going to put it right above the greenery pick. We're going to wrap the floral wire around the stem of that pick, put floral wire on each side of that pick, push it towards the back of the sleigh, flip everything over, and twist that wire into place. Once you've got everything secured, you are ready to display it.